All right, guys, I'm back. So I had a couple of questions on how I get my titles and descriptions and SEO information for the different platforms. So I use AI heavily in my day-to-day operations on different things when running the media company and things like that. And I'll show you how I do it for my vertical content too, which is pretty straightforward and it's really quite simple. So let me hop back over here and I will show you exactly how I do it. Now, here's that video we were working on in my previous video. What I want to do is find the clip, which is right here. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go back to AI tools, audio transcriptions and transcribe. It's already there. So hit Control A and then I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to copy it all. All right. So my AI of choice for picking out the SEO content for YouTube channels and all that, I use Google Gemini. I use it because it is linked and connected to my Google Drive, to my YouTube channel. It is connected to Google. So in theory, I don't know if it's true or not, but in my thinking that it's going to know what Google wants because it is Google. So what I will tell it is I will simply go in and say something like, I have a short video that I have a short video that I need the SEO title, description, and everything that comes along with that. I am posting to YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and to TikTok. So I need it for all of them. I need it in a copy and paste format. That's critical, at least for my workflow anyway. It makes it so much easier for me to just copy and paste rather than going through line by line and copy and cutting this out, cutting that out. And then what I will say is, here is the script from my video, and then I will paste it in there. I'll give it a minute and it's going to spit everything out. I've got my YouTube Shorts SEO, I've got Instagram Reels, and I have TikTok. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I've used ChatGPT for a long time. ChatGPT worked well. I've just switched over to Google Gemini because I think it has a better search base for YouTube. Yeah. And that's how I get the SEO title, description, hashtags, all that information for all the videos that I've been posting for myself. Got any questions or whatever, hit me up in the comments down below. Like, comment, sub, all that jazz if you're liking my content, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.